We're also learning more about Jones's prior convictions, including a concealed weapons charge out of Chesterfield County, which the university says Jones failed to tell them about.
On your side at 6 tonight, Desiree Montilla has more details about this case. So Desi, tell us, what are you learning tonight?
Well, Makia, on top of the concealed weapon violation in Chesterfield stemming back from 2021, we're also learning more details about Jones Jr.'s firearms purchase history from a store in Colonial Heights and his previous attempts to do so. Prior to the UVA shooting, the suspect, Christopher Darnell Jones Jr., was convicted of a misdemeanor charge in Chesterfield. On February 22, 2021, Chesterfield police tell us they stopped a car near Boiseau Street and 3rd Avenue because the registration did not come back on file. During this stop, officers say Jones had a concealed handgun without a permit and 2 outstanding charges from Petersburg related to a hit-and-run crash from August 2020. In both cases, Jones had his 12-month sentences suspended and only paid fines.
The existence of any prior misconduct, especially the misconduct that's been reported, has really nothing to do with guilt or innocence, the merits of the accusation.
The only time NBC 12 legal analyst Steve Benjamin says these records may come into play if there's a request for a pretrial release.
Right now, he's being held without bond, and if his attorney were to seek release, then any prior criminal history would be one of the relevant factors towards the determination of whether he represented a danger to the community or a flight risk.
We're also learning Jones purchased 2 firearms from Dance's Sporting Goods in Colonial Heights this year, including a Glock in February and a rifle in July. In a statement, owner Marlon Dance said there was nothing noteworthy about these purchases. Prior to these purchases, Jones tried to buy a pistol back in 2018, but he was under the age of 21. 2.5 years later, Jones went back and tried to buy a rifle, but failed the background check. Dance's Sporting Goods adds that Jones Jr. did not get any of the firearms from those attempted purchases he tried to make back in 2018 and 2021, and those attempted purchases were forwarded over to Virginia State Police for further action. Live and on your side in Chesterfield County this evening, Desiree Montilla, NBC 12 News.
All right, thank you, Des.